Welcome to Sea Sparkles Corner. Today we got this was sent the other day from Black Dart, so it's an angry mama. Angry mama. We're gonna try it right here, right now in Sea Sparkles Corner. It's a microwave cleaner, and Chris is gonna open it. And we got the white vinegar, brand new bottle, and water. It says that's all it takes. So, step one, remove Angry Mama's hair twist from right side.
Oh, I got stickers.
Twist to the right and lift off.
Right.
Alright, we've done that.
She looks pissed.
Alright. Then remove Angry Mama's head by pulling straight up, which we did. The hair, remove Angry Mama's head by pulling straight up. Add the vinegar and water to the lines filled. Add vinegar first to the vinegar line.
This is a giant Lego.
Where is the vinegar line? Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Yeah, I'll pour it in for you.
I can't see.
I got it.
It's the vinegar word. Vinegar is the same as that, and then add the water.
I'll use science.
Oh yeah, you can see the vinegar go up in it. A little bit more.
Man, you know, people need vinegar to drink, you know.
Okay, and then add water to the water line. Do not overfill, it says. Alright, we're going to put the vinegar away. Alright, done.
Now we place her head back on.
Okay, replace head and hair parts. David, videotape the microwave close up to show the dirt, and then we're going to run it on high for 7 minutes. Replace head and hair parts. Straight down with the head. Straight.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it goes straight down. Just don't want to go in. You have it upside down, boy. Ah! That's why. I had it the wrong way.
See, look, it's got a clip.
Got grooves.
It's got grooves. It's got to go in the grooves.
Yeah, I was trying to put it with her.
No, it's not right.
Oh, dude, her head's forward. No. But God, as long as her head's on there.
Stop.
It's got to go in the grooves.
It is in the groove. It was in the groove. Chris had it right.
Yeah. See? The dress is matching.
Oh, the head locks in.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this goes in there. Which we gotta turn to the left.
Okay. Put David video. He needs to do a close-up video on the microwave.
She's like a giant Lego.
Okay. Now let's put the angry mama in there by use of the arms, it says.
Alright, I'll put her in there. No, let me go. No, you get in the microwave. No!
Close it. 7 minutes. Time cook 7 minutes. Time cook 7 minutes.
Well, that's 77
Stop.
seconds.
Time cook 7:00. Start. Okay, we'll see you in 7 minutes. And we'll see if angry mama is angry and does it.
We got stickers. I don't think there's anything else in there.
Allow angry mama to stand an additional 2 minutes before attempting to remove from microwave. Remove by use of her arms. Wipe interior with sponge or soft cloth. Remove liquid from inside angry mama and wipe clean. Okay, well, we're giving it a go.
Stickers, yeah, stickers.
There we go.
Angry mama. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so according to the directions, it said to let it rest 2 minutes, then take it by the arms like this, what I'm doing, and remove.
Whoa.
All right, now let's look inside the microwave.
Let me see this. Let me see.
It's clean.
Really? But the,
Yep.
the stain in the corner too? Ah.
It looks good.
Yeah, but there's still the stain in the corner.
And then it says to get a clean and cloth and wipe the microwave out after, which is what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna start by wiping the door. Oh, hot, hot, hot. The microwave is still hot, people, so be careful.
Make sure you get in that back right corner.
As you can see, I'm wiping every bit of it. Look at that. Food that was dried on there. Up and down the side. Over the top. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Look at that. Even the corners are getting cleaned. I gotta rinse this again. So look at that. It made the stuff so you can just wipe it down. There. Look at that. Hard to get stuff before. It's all clean. The Angry Mama works. It does clean your microwave. Let me get another cleaner to get off that stuff. Look at that. The lower corners for my microwave were the dirtiest, and now look how nice they look. So my Angry Mama does work. Then put your wheel back on. And, woo! And then wipe your little glass microwave thing. Put that back in there. And there you go. The Angry Mama works, and man, the microwave is clean. Look, the lower corners was bad. And see how nice they look? There you have it. Angry Mama works. All right, but we're not quite done yet. We're not quite done yet. Okay.
Follow all the instructions now.
Wipe the interior with sponge or soft cloth. Done. The remaining liquid can be applied to your sponge to wipe the clean parts of your rinse and dry all spots before. Now it says not to clean this in the microwave. Do not put this back in the microwave to clean it dry. We don't want to do that, or dishwasher. So you got to wash it. It says to wash it by hand.
That just slides
it
up.
says pour the liquid out before it gets burned. So we're gonna wash Angry Mama by hand with our dishwashing liquid, which is environmentally good. And for next time, it says to wash by hand. Well, the parts are not dishwasher safe. The parts are microwave safe, but not dishwasher safe. And there it is. Angry Mama, ready for air drying like we do around here. That's it. And thank you, Black Dart, for allowing us to do this video and share with you and product test with you from Michigan. And we love it. Thank you for the lovely gift and the video. So feel free to share, feel free to subscribe, and if you come across Angry Mama dishwashing device, get it. I highly recommend it. From Seasparkles Corner to all our viewers and all of our subscribers, we love you. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thanks for watching. And thank you for our patron and all of our viewers and subscribers. Bye, everybody.